What's good? What's good? We tuned in for another video, man. I'm back down here at Joe Buddy Racing. We making moves. We making moves, baby. Already. So we going down, man. I had to bring this down here. Bring the shifter. I got a new cable, man, cause like I said, the cable had burnt up back when it was in the truck. And really, like I said, I really didn't need that complex of a shifter, man. That thing there is something serious. Like, it really overkill for my car. I mean, this thing here, man. Ooh, that thing bright. I really didn't need all this, but I had it, man. Cheapskate. It was donated by my guys out in Tennessee. Appreciate them for that. Back when I was building the truck, like I said, the cable had got a little burn spot right there, so I had been bought this stuff, man. If you've been following, I bought this stuff back in January. So we over here at the shop, about to head in there, show y'all the motor, all of that, and see what the move is. Then today I'm gonna link up with my cousin, a little crazy, Whips Addiction. It's on the screen now. Make sure you go subscribe to him. I'm gonna link up with him cause he hitting the dyno. So we got a little fun day planned, so y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so we're in the shop. This the update on the motor. Went to rolling on it last night. These right here, we ran into a problem with the rocker arm. The studs bigger than the other rocker arm. They 3/8. Yep.
The rocker arm was 7/16.
Yeah, so the rocker arm was 7/16. The one you had.
7/16. The studs are 3/8. So the other rocker arm wouldn't fit. They were too big.
Too big? Oh yeah. Okay. So they were too big. So for now, these on here, like, gonna switch them to a full roller. Like I said, I got some on the way. They'll be coming whenever, but we're gonna switch to a full roller. What I mean by full roller is right up in here. Oh yeah. We'll show you. So they over here. Cause these are roller tips or whatever. So right here, y'all see?
That's a full roller.
That's a full roller.
The roller's in there and it's got tip in it.
Yep. So these are better. These are way better, but say we're gonna get it get all together, get it fired up and stuff so we can get it running. Cause this is actually simple, like it'll take the valve cover off.
You know, if we were, you can to upgrade so we can use the stud girdle. You can change the rocker stud to a 7/16 rocker stud and the plates, and then use all the big 7/16 stuff. That's up to you guys. That's what I done for you last night.
Oh yeah, well yeah, that's true, y'all. Can change the studs and all that. Like I said, you can change the studs right up in here, and guide plates and all that. Where the studs I meant right here, my bad. And the guide plates, and make that work. But see, we won't get it running. He got everything together. This what held him up. He noticed he had a timer cover gasket, my bad. But other than that, I mean, we're good to go. We popped the oil pan on. Y'all see the oil pump ready to go in, shaft. And this how I do, like, when I get on to do stuff, I just bring everything over here. Try to make it as simple as possible. I mean, when you got to hunt down stuff or whatever, you just bring everything, man. It make your whole process go simple. But this is where we at. Won't be long at all. Water pump, everything is in there. We got the valve covers. We got everything. So this is the update on that. I see it. Intake on, all that. And look, I ain't know this either. These come with the heads. Y'all see the head, the corner bolts are different. Yeah, they come with the intake. My bad, the intake. They come with the intake called the corner bolt. It's so tight right up in there, the way it's cut. You know, you wouldn't be able to get a regular intake bolt in there. It just, the head will be too big. So I ain't know that. I ain't noticed till he said something. So it's just something to point out too. But yeah, I mean, this is it right here. Oh, we got to get the lock too, right there. In case somebody notice it, yeah, we got to put a lock right there, and that's it. But yeah, that's it on that. That's the update. So y'all stay tuned. We'll catch y'all on the next clip. All right. So just pulled up at Cuzzo's house. Y'all see this man got all these projects over here. He done snatched this out. Snatched this out and put it in this. Get my fam Quay. Bad boy clean, nice money Carlo. Finally got him a V8 in there. He said he had to have one, so he got him an old V8 in there now. Sitting on 24 sound system. Nice car, man. Drive anywhere. So yeah, Quay in the game. Y'all see he support too. Support the movement. Well, the 2004 done ripped off of there, but hey, I gotta get him another one. I should have brought it down today, but then we got Cuzzo right here. Finna hit the dyno. Y'all comment below. Tell me if y'all think he gonna make over 200 horsepower. Nah, for real though, comment below on my video too. Let me know what y'all think he gonna make. But you know, of course y'all gonna have to go to his channel and check that out. But I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Hey homeboy, I just told them to comment below if they think you gonna make over 200 horsepower.
Yeah, I hope so.
Look, y'all see what he got now. I told y'all it's a race car.
Ain't them a 93, man.
Ain't no 93 in there.
No, I stay out of gas though.
Look, y'all see what he got now. Y'all look, y'all see that? You know you got a race car, man. He got a race car. So I want y'all to go to his video, go in the comment, and everybody put hashtag race car.
Man, bro.
Michael Myers sounding pretty good. Sounding pretty good.
Yeah, you gotta pull up the ramps.
Alright, y'all see what he on now. Y'all see what he on. y'all see what he on. I told y'all. It's a race car. Hey, go to a video. Put hashtag race car.
Hey, man.
Alright, y'all, so Cuzzo just got finished at the dyno. Like I said, y'all go check out his video. You want to see the results and all of that. Whenever he drop it. He just did it 3 pulls. I know, like I said, he gonna tell y'all everything in his video, but yep, we over here. We finna pull it out now, and I don't know what we're gonna get into next. Like I said, I'm probably gonna have to head back to the shop. So like I said, y'all check his video out. I put his YouTube at the beginning, so make sure y'all go subscribe and all that. And I'll catch y'all in a minute. Alrighty, so back at the shop. Had to go by AutoZone, y'all. Got this oil pan gasket. Aunt said he got one. He got a cork gasket. He got a cork gasket. I got a 1-piece seal gasket. I said 1-piece seal. 1-piece gasket I meant. Y'all see these spark plugs? These the ones I had AC Delco. But I forgot with aluminum heads, you gotta get the ones that's threaded all the way up. I'll show y'all what I mean. I got these NZKs. It's a good spark plug running naturally aspirated, which is how I'm running right now. Then I get a colder plug for nitrogen. I when you run the nitrous, it's better to run a cold plug or colder heat range. But I get into all that on another video. But here's what we got. Let me get this out of here. So y'all what I'm talking about. Well, I could have just showed y'all on the box. Y'all see how them threads is? Yeah, I just show y'all on the box. On that box, on that picture, what kind of plugs you need for aluminum heads. Most of the time, they do pretty much all aluminum heads like that. The ones I had are just for, you know, like an iron head and everything. But I bought them because at the time I was gonna use an iron head. So plans changed. You know, it wasn't that I bought the wrong thing or they gave me the wrong thing. I just had bought these for the heads I was gonna use. And I'm gonna show you different. I went ahead and kept them. I was gonna take them back, but I was like, I'm just gonna put them in the motor or going in big meats. But y'all see the difference. Threads don't go all the way up, so keep that in mind. You get aluminum heads, just something to know. Keep that in mind. But you want the spark plug number, I'll go ahead and get that for you too. Cause y'all might be asking if you want the spark plug number. There it is right there. Way too bright. Your spark plug number. Good natural aspirated plug. So I'm gonna get this in there and then I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Alright y'all, so as y'all can see, I'm back at the house, man. Had a pretty exciting day, man. Went down today. I had to show y'all the motor. I'm real hyped now, man. We got the motor put together. It's on, boy. It's about to be on, man. Oil pressure gonna be coming soon. I can't wait. So I had the oil pan gasket. When I got that one piece gasket, what else? Oh, he gonna get that lock to put on the rocker arm, and man, it's just about to be on. It's about to be go time. I told y'all after the car leave here, it's gonna be oil pressure time, man. I ain't lying. Like, everything is downhill now. So I should be driving that car soon, man. I can't wait. Dolo should be on the road. Should be getting y'all some footage. I'm definitely gonna do my thing on the 15-inch tire before I put the rims on. Then I'm gonna give y'all a show on the rim. So it's about to be all the way on, man. Got everything cooking. We got meats coming, man. Everything is really on the way working, man. Meats coming. Like, I don't know. I might mess around and have both of them going at the same time. Like, it might just happen like that. It might actually fall like that. Both of these things get oil pressure at the same time. I don't know. I don't know which one gonna get oil pressure first, but I know both of them working. And I know I got the motor. The motor for Dolo is pretty much complete. All he gotta do is put that transmission and converter behind it, then slide it in there. I mean, paint up under the hood, you know, get up on the hood looking good and all that. Slide in there, we're gonna be good. Then, you know, meat's already done if y'all been keeping up with that series. And it's on, man. Then I seen somebody comment ask me about this. The shop is coming, but for now, what I got going on is we had this flattened out and we about to extend the driveway. All the cars about to come out the garage, so we have so much space, cause like I said, man, we got so many cars out here. Say, y'all know my in-laws, they here with us right now and all that. Then we got our cars and this and that. And look, man, it's just a whole lot of stuff. So that's why I'm getting the shop. All the old school gonna be in the shop. It's gonna be up there, the drive. But for now, we're pouring like 10 yards of concrete. So we're gonna put all the cars on the pad. Then the garage is another project. Ain't gonna be no cars in the garage, but that's a project that ain't car related and all that. But that's what we got going on. But yeah, like I said, man, it's about to be on. It's about to be all the way on. I really appreciate everybody been watching these videos, tuning in to the build. Y'all see I put the work in. Now going in, he got the motor done. Man, hey, it's about to be go time. It's about to be go time, all I can say. As soon as that car crank up, y'all, as soon as that car crank up, it literally going to the muffler shop, get the mufflers on. Then I'm gonna go get the nitrous system hooked up. When I know the nitrous is functional and operational, then I'm going to the dyno. I'm gonna do all of this before I put the rims on car. After that, I ain't want to put the rims on. I ain't about to be taking these rims on and off, man. Too much work. So I'm gonna do all of that. I'm gonna dyno the car when the nitrous system gets hooked up, so I can take it to the dyno. I'm gonna do two pulls on motor, one with some safe timing, one advancing the timing, and then I'm gonna do a nitrous hit while I got the 15s on there. Then after that, I done got the numbers and showed y'all all that, what type of power we're making to the wheel. Then I'm putting the rims on, and it's gonna be go time. Everything cosmetic. Get the paint done, get the interior done the right way, covered, all type of stuff. So even though we about to have oil pressure, this series nowhere near done. The series is nowhere near done. It's still a whole lot of stuff going on. Meat's gonna be pretty much a drive around car for now. Like I said, it's gonna be a far-away car, man, for real. Like, it ain't perfect. I'm telling you, if you saw it going up the highway, you'll be like, hey, that car clean. But when you get up on it, it got a lot of imperfect spots in it. So, you know, it is what it is, though. I'm just glad to have my car back, man. So, and I'm probably gonna cry when I crank that thing up and go on the first drive. I ain't gonna lie, just to be sitting in it, even though it ain't gonna be geeked up and fast right now, just to be sitting in it after, you talking 8 years, man. I ain't been in that car 8 years now. So, but that's it, man. That's it for this video. I'm keeping y'all updated. I'm keeping the content coming. Like I said, I appreciate y'all, man, a whole lot. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. I'm out.